It's just a little bit of a windy day out here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Child in tow. We're gonna check out the Bay of Play and see what it's looking like. I hear that the entirety of the playscape is being deconstructed at the Bay of Play, so that's specifically why I came today. Yeah, you can already see some of the netting down there. A lot of it is gone now. A lot of it deconstructed. See a lot of the tin coming down there as they're deconstructing most of it. I can't even believe this. This has been here ever since I was a child. There you can see. You can see a piece coming down right there. Wow. I can hardly believe this. Not really any announcement or news of any kind of what's going on. Full removal. Now just a shell of its former self. Are they building a new one? She got to play on it for the entirety of about a year. So from what I was reading online, people were saying that this could be getting extended out to be splash pad, make the already existing splash pad bigger. So they're just gonna extend out the splash pad and just make it all waterworks. And to be fair, the playscape was quite dated. Like I said, I remember it from when I was a child. So, I mean, that was over 20 years ago. I don't think that there's any concepts. I don't think there's any, oh, hey, oh, hi. Say hi. You say hi? I don't know. If anybody has any news or comments, please let us know. I am really curious as to the exact plans and blueprints for this project, because so many people don't know. It just seems like it was all of a sudden. I just seen a video online and I was just completely shocked at the fact that there was just no announcement of it. It just started happening overnight. Honestly, it's a very Disney-like thing, you know, where Disney will just start removing something without any warning or, you know, fan news. So I'm guessing that SeaWorld kind of took a page out of that book. I don't know. Over the year, we had seen that they had closed down the slides and the nets and stuff for various reasons, and then they would open it back up and then close it again, and it was just on and on and on. Could have been a safety thing, you know. Like I said, it is dated, so stay tuned and I'll keep updates in future videos as to what's going on. You see the tarp lifting up there, you can kind of see a little bit. Wow. This area seems to be no more. I don't know if they're going to be keeping the ship or not. I think they might be keeping the ship. It's a pretty big piece. At least the carousel's open. Say hi. Aaliyah, say yay. Say wee. What do you think the fish think about the playground closing? You think the fish are sad about it closing? No. They probably don't care.
And joining us right here before you are Tour and Cayuga. Command.
Not only the Bay of Play, this little water section over here to the left of the arcade is also closed per the sign, pardon our dust, we're building memories for the future. Hey, where you going? And even the building near the exit over here is getting some renovations as well. It's either being remodeled or torn down, but to me it looks like it's being remodeled. Bit of TLC, which is always good. It's always good to see that the park is being taken care of, maintained, because a park can fall into disrepair very fast if not taken care of. I wonder if they'll ever do any renovations out here. This is very, very 90s. Not that I'm complaining. I don't mind if it stays here, but it almost seems like it might be the next renovation to be. There's a helicopter flying overhead there. Kind of just been like circling over around this parking lot. I'll be staying up to date with all the SeaWorld renovations and everything Six Flags. Give me a like, subscribe, all that mess. But with that being said, have a good day. Say bye.